This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include power windows, steering wheel controls, a CD player, a rear parking aid, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has just over 49,000 miles. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is solid and dependable. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.